Hello, hello everyone! I am so happy to be with you guys again today. Today I wanted to talk about the Barefoot Blonde Up. If you didn't see a couple of weeks ago, I actually posted a video all about my Barefoot Blonde extensions. I talked about the classic set that I had, just kind of let you guys know what I thought about the extensions as well as about their upcoming sale. And during their sale, I actually purchased the Barefoot Blonde Up. So I wanted to chat with you guys a little bit about that. I've been playing with it all week and let's just say I'm a bit obsessed. So let's get into it. So as with all Barefoot Blonde products, they come with this leather pouch. It is faux leather, but it's a really great way to store your extensions, keep them healthy, keep them safe, not let them get looking like a rat's nest. So I got the Barefoot Blonde Up and this is what it looks like. So as you can see, the Barefoot Blonde Up has this very thick weft, and the Barefoot Blonde Up is actually a patent pending product that's basically like 4 wefts in one clip, and it's supposed to be for all of your updos. So that makes sense. This product has been super fun to play with. As you saw, it has 3 clips. And it's super easy to insert because it's just one thing. I'm playing with it like it's my dog here. It's just one clip that you put in your hair and it adds some length and lots of volume so that you can do all of those really full braids or really great messy buns with, you know, a lot more ease than inserting all of the individual clips from the classic set. So this product is definitely different from the classic set because you can't wear it with your hair just down. It is primarily meant for updos, just to get that extra thickness primarily and a little bit of length. This product is 18 inches long, whereas I think the classic set is 21 inches, and they actually also just launched a classic set in 24 inches, which is very long. So I figured the easiest thing to do would just be to show you how to use this product and how easy it is to achieve a lot of really great hairstyles. I think that this product is amazing for girls who just want a lot of thickness in their hair, or especially if you are a mom. I think all of my mom friends say that they don't have time to do their hair, and this is a really great way to just make yourself look very put together with very minimal effort. So this is my hair without any extensions in it. It is curled a little bit, so it's just kind of past my collarbone here. If I pull it down, you can see this is like the full length of my hair, and then we'll just put the up in and see what happens. So my go-to hairstyle on lazy hair days is just a simple side braid. By the way, I did curl my BFB up a little bit this morning just so it will blend a little bit with my curl. Not sure how important that is because in the week I just was using it straight out of the bag, but I thought why not give it a try this morning. So the first thing I'm going to do is just part my hair right above my ears to the back. If you watch Amber Filler Up ever do tutorials, you'll notice she never uses a clip, but I like to use a clip because then you're not fighting with your own hair. So I just have about this much hair at the bottom. So I'm just unclipping the clips, opening them up. I'm gonna put them at the bottom there. And then this is how much hair additional I already have. I feel like this is even more hair than I have naturally, so that's amazing. So I just put the rest of my hair down. I'm gonna pull it all to the side. You can see this is my natural hair here, and then this is the end of the Barefoot Blonde Up. So quite a significant difference in length. And then I'm just going to part it into 3, braid it super quick. Just have a little clear elastic, and I'm gonna tie it off. So there you have it. That took maybe 30 seconds, and I have a very thick side braid. Easy to have your hair out of the way and still looking really good. Of course, you can always use that Kristen S texturizing loose powder spray. Powder, just kidding, it's a powder, not a spray, that I have talked about in many of my other hair videos if you want to add some thickness, but since we're just playing today, I just thought I'd show you how easy and quick it was to put in. Okay, so the next hairstyle I'm gonna try is a high ponytail. This is something I've always been envious of when I see other girls with these super thick, long, luscious ponytails. And so I think, well, I hope, I haven't tried it yet, but I hope with the Barefoot Blonde Up product that I can achieve that look. So something I think is super important to note with this product, because it has such a thick piece here, Sometimes with the classic set, because it's smaller, you can kind of flip the extensions whichever way, but I think it's really important when using the up product that you're gonna get it close to your head and flowing the same way, because it's gonna probably be weird if you flip it like this. You want the hair going the same direction as the clip, not opposite. So what I'm going to do is part my hair really high, kind of going straight up from my ears, making a part over here. So I took just about probably 2 inches from my hairline. I'm going to section it off forwards. Just clip the up in towards where the ponytail will be. Grab my scrunchie. I know Amber likes to pull little pieces of hair out, and I think next time I go and get a haircut, I'm gonna try and get some of those pieces because I don't like how slick it looks, but this is kind of what it looks like. So because I curled my hair and I curled the Barefoot Blonde up, I think it probably blends a lot better, especially because right now my hair does need a bit of a tone, and so you can't tell the color difference as easily, and it just adds a lot of thickness and a little bit of length. Moving on to everybody's favorite lazy girl hairstyle, probably the one most people have been rocking during this special time, the messy bun. So I think the nice thing about the messy bun is I can probably keep the clip exactly where it was for the ponytail. I'm just going to use my scrunchie to tie it a bit differently. And there's my messy bun, super easy. I only tied my scrunchie around it half and then doubled back. Very easy, super cute. You can always pull a few pieces out if you want it to look a little bit messier, or pull some more front pieces out. I just have a lot of baby hairs, so mine just looks like frizz. And then it's super easy for you to play with some accessories, use a different color scrunchie, add some clips, whatever it is, but that honestly probably will take you only 30 seconds to do. If you are like me and you do really like having your hair down and not wanting the fuss of it, I do want to show you guys what this would look like if you were to wear your hair down. I do think it looks a little bit awkward, but I know that that's something that I wanted to see when purchasing this product, so just in case, I'll show you guys. So I'll part my hair sort of half and half in the middle. I'm gonna clip it up again. So I'm just clipping this up near that part that I made. It looks like so. So this is what my hair looks like with the Barefoot Blonde up in and just curled. As you can see, I think it is not the easiest thing to blend. It looks kind of okay. I think if your hair was the exact length of the Barefoot Blonde up, it would be easier to blend, but I just think it looks a little bit like thin on the sides, especially on this side where I have more hair. I don't think it looks the worst, and depending on the length of your hair, you could maybe get away with just wearing the Barefoot Blonde up and wearing it down. However, if you're like me and have a lot more hair on one side, I think it looks a little bit thin on this side. But maybe if you have multiple Barefoot Blonde up products, you could kind of style them together. So maybe if I put in one of my filling clips on this side, then it would look a little bit more full and a little bit more like I had layers. So I think that's something I will continue to play with maybe if you have some of the Barefoot Blonde up products and you want some more tutorials, if you want full length tutorials on any of the hairstyles I did, or any more complex tutorials involving either the classic set, the fill-ins, or the Barefoot Blonde up, or a combo of them, please let me know down in the comments. I'm really excited to play, and I definitely see my hair extensions almost like a pair of shoes. It's kind of fun to change it up. Sometimes I have super long hair, sometimes I just have my regular length hair with some more volume, and I think hair extensions are a really great way to change up your look with very little commitment. Some things I do wish were a little bit different about the Barefoot Blonde up. I kind of wish it was 4 clips instead of 3, so you could probably fill out loose hair a little bit easier. And I also wish it was the same length as the classic set. Again, this is 18 inches. I kind of wish it was 21 inches. But really, those are the only things I wish the Barefoot Blonde up had different about it, but maybe if we keep asking, they will give in. I know that they just came out with 24-inch extensions and they've looked into clip and bangs. And I think as the company grows, they'll just start to innovate more and more. And I am just a huge fan all around. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you again next week. Bye.